Welcome back to our channel. If you are looking for productivity and focus, you are at the right place. In today's video, we'll explore a powerful time management technique that can transform your workplace productivity, the Pomodoro Technique. In less than 5 minutes, I'll guide you on how to effectively use the Pomodoro Technique to boost your productivity. So let's dive right in. The Pomodoro technique basically involves breaking your work into focus intervals called Pomodoros. Each Pomodoro typically lasts for 25 minutes. To begin, create a to-do list that outlines the tasks that you need to accomplish and prioritize them based on the necessity or urgency. Set a timer for 25 minutes and start your first task. This will be your first Pomodoro or dedicated work interval with no distractions. Focus on one and the only one task at hand. Avoid multitasking and resist the temptation to check your emails or social media. If distractions arise, jot them down on a separate sheet of paper. Don't let them derail your focus. Take a short break. Now you have completed a first Pomodoro. Reward yourself with a short break of around 5 minutes. You can stand up, stretch, grab a drink, or do anything that helps you to recharge. Repeat this Pomodoro cycle of 25 minutes of focused work followed by a short break. And after every fourth Pomodoro, take a longer break of around 15 to 30 minutes. Take this time to relax, rejuvenate, and reflect on your progress. The Pomodoro technique is a simple yet powerful method of improving workplace productivity. By breaking your work into focused intervals and incorporating regular breaks, you can enhance your focus, reduce burnout, and achieve more in less time. Give it a try and watch your productivity soar. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from the technique and who are looking for the productivity boost. It might be a wonderful gift to them. And as always, remember to stay focused, work smart, and enjoy the rewards of increased productivity. Please click on the above description for a Pomodoro timer with music.